So here we go again.
Yes.
So guys, पहले before we start, please like, share and subscribe and keep supporting जो भी है. Okay. And so yeah, Elijah, आज क्या फिर?
Today, I think let's talk about core beliefs.
Core beliefs.
Core beliefs.
ठीक है. बहुत heavy नहीं हो जाएगा भाई? Core beliefs.
We'll make it light.
अच्छा ठीक है चले. देख, core beliefs, the reason we kind of कि even I wanted to talk about it because it's very important. Core belief अगर मैं बताता हूँ, so it kind of comes from a person, Aaron T. Beck. So he's a theorist who kind of got this whole therapy called cognitive behavioral therapy into the practice. So it kind of is one of the part of it. So core belief is basically when you are going to a practitioner who kind of practices CBT. So he mostly works on your core beliefs, your schemas basically. Core beliefs are also called schemas. Core beliefs क्या होते हैं? So core beliefs are basically जब से तुम लोग जब the time you kind of develop the understanding, you start off you kind of started having the whole तुम लोग एक दुनिया को अपनी नज़रिए से देखना शुरू करते हो उस टाइम से लेके basically from your childhood to your developmental years till the time you are living, till the time you get buried, you get burned, till the time जो भी है जब तक तुम लोग मर नहीं जाते, जो तुम लोग जो beliefs hold करते हो, it is basically that the core beliefs, which is basically important for you to function in the society, the ideas or the perspective that you have towards the world, towards yourself, towards the people with whom you hang out with. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करता है the time you kind of function. When I say function as in to take decisions, to make bonds, to make relations at that point of time. ये सारी चीज़ों के लिए core beliefs बहुत important है. And core beliefs आगे I'll also talk about much more in much more detail. But मेरे को ऐसा लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा बात करनी है. So Elijah, please carry forward.
Like you said, right? It's something that we build in our childhood. Like since we have, since we have come of the age of understanding, like our thought processes have developed. बच्चों से लेकर, things like our experiences, what our parents tell us, what our teachers have told us, how our friends have treated us. All of this forms our core beliefs,
Right.
Different experiences which are even out of our control. They form these core beliefs. Now, what exactly? Let's give examples of core beliefs, like negative core belief, for example.
अच्छा ठीक.
Yeah, main ones would be I am unworthy, I
Okay.
am unlovable,
Right.
I'm a failure.
Right.
These are all negative core beliefs,
Okay.
right? These
Yeah.
heavy terms.
Yes.
I am unlovable,
Unlovable.
I am unworthy. हम थॉर का हैमर थोड़ी उठा रहे
यार
हैं,
ना
I'm
unworthy.
I'm a failure. These are like, and like we spoke about in our previous, actually in our previous thing also we spoke about, these children who constantly fail, ones who have some learning issues and all that.
Okay.
So they develop this thing, कि I'm a failure,
Right.
like, and that affects how they, pursue studies.
Okay.
They have this negative, thought about studies
Right.
because they're like, हाँ मेरे को fail ही तो होना है, I'm a failure. Experiences. And फिर वो क्या होता है कि I will start getting into sports. उस पढ़ाई में तो मैं loser हूँ.
वो तो है बट सी दैट कुड बी वन ऑफ द थिंग कि दे काइंड ऑफ एटलीस्ट सो मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि फाइन कि ठीक है नॉट एवरीबडी इज मेड फॉर स्टडीज, नॉट एवरीबडी इज मेड फॉर स्पोर्ट्स, बट इफ यू काइंड ऑफ फील कि ओके कि दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू लव, दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू वांट टू डू, गो अहेड एंड डू इट. दैट इज टोटली डिफरेंट पार्ट. जैसे तूने बताया जो नेगेटिव टर्म्स, एट द सेम टाइम जो सोसाइटी जो शेप करती है ना एक इंडिविजुअल का कोर बिलीफ, वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करता है भाई. कि अभी फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल वी ऑल कम फ्रॉम डिफरेंट स्टार्टा, डिफरेंट लाइफ स्टाइल्स, अलग एनवायरनमेंट मिलता है. तो भाई मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लगता है मेरे जो बिलीव्स थे, मेरे जो कोर बिलीव्स है, वो विद टाइम शेप हुए. विद टाइम दे हैव चेंज, विद टाइम दे आई हैव काइंड ऑफ मॉडिफाइड देम, विद टाइम आई हैव मैंने खुद में पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव चेंजेस दोनों करे. मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा कि आप मैं साइकोलॉजिस्ट हूँ तो मैं बहुत अच्छा इंसान हूँ. वो भाई सबसे घटिया.
We are the worst of the bunch.
Yes. तो बैच की तो छोड़ भाई. The thing is, okay, वो भाई जाने दे. So so coming back, जैसे अभी तूने जो एग्जांपल दिया ना, जो कोर बिलीफ जो शेप होते हैं, एक इंसिडेंट शेयर करूंगा. 11th 12th, मोस्टली 12th फेल. आई हैव फेल्ड माय 12th गाइस. सो 12th मैंने रिपीट करी थी. द प्लेस वेयर आई वाज गिविंग माय 12th अगेन, एक कॉलेज था जो उसको क्या बोलते थे इतना, जो अपने बाहर से एग्जाम देते 12th की रेट की.
एक्सटर्नल.
मैं एक्सटर्नल दे रहा था एक कॉलेज में. वहाँ पे लाइक द थॉट प्रोसेसेस एंड द बिलीफ दैट आई हैड was totally gangster, and I was literally attracted to the crowd that way as well. वो देखना, वो अपने choices भी shape करता है. So I was attracted to people who kind of are into gangster shit. Okay, मतलब किसी को भी कुछ भी बोल दिया, like you know, which is very wrong. And I now, when I kind of go through it, I really feel way bad about it. Like you know, and I apologize for that. Like you know, disrespecting your teachers, but maybe at that point of time the teachers did deserve it. So getting back again, वो सारी चीजें चलती रही background में, and like the bunch of people that I hang out with, like again, there was this person, I'm still in touch with him. His name is Praful. Like we had our immense, so it was like you know, you attract what you think and what you believe at the same time.
Yeah.
So इसी की वजह से core beliefs are so important. Like you know, the affirmations that we give to ourselves in today's life, that also becomes a much more important part. कि जैसे तू बोल रहा है कि I'm a failure, I'm not worthy. So भाई, one way or another you are attracting that shit to you because you are demanding your brain, you are asking your brain to think that way. जो neuroplasticity जो बनाते जा रहे हो तुम लोग. So it is one way important, like you know, कि how to kind of deal with this. But at the same time, अगर तुम लोग देखो ना कि ठीक है, I'm open to change, I'm open about things कि okay, maybe I have certain biases towards certain things. वॉट एवर इट इज. अगर समझो मेरे को ऐसा बोलने का रहा कि मेरे को अभी जो नए टर्म्स वगैरह आ गए, सिचुएशन के वगैरह जो भी है, कुछ बायसेस हो गए मेरे उसके ऊपर, बट आई एम ओपन टू द आइडिया, ओके द पीपल आर डूइंग इट, दे आर फाइंडिंग इट ओके टू. सो दिस इज द ओपननेस, दीज आर द कोर बिलीव्स. और अगेन ये जो कोर बिलीव्स वाला जो मैटर है ना राजा, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है तू लाइक यू नो, तू वो बहुत डिफर करता है फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन कि हाउ यू गोइंग टू लुक एट. And again, Ray, you can't just go and tell that person needs change your core belief.
And the thing is, we have talked about core belief here, but most people don't even know what their core belief is because it's so deep inside, it's so underlined that we don't even know what it is. So starting में क्या रहता है therapy में, then the therapist doesn't know what the client's core belief is. What they actually know is कि there's something known as the negative automatic thought.
Negative automatic thought.
Ants. So negative automatic thought. So वो क्या रहता है कि अभी सिचुएशन है, यू आर गिविंग अ प्रेजेंटेशन, ठीक है, प्रेजेंटेशन देना है ऑफिस में या स्कूल में, कॉलेज में, जो भी, एंड योर ऑटोमेटिक नेगेटिव थॉट इज आई एम गोइंग टू फ्रीज एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ब्लैंक आउट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू फेल, और आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू वेल, राइट? दैट्स योर ऑटोमेटिक नेगेटिव थॉट. वहाँ से इफ वी कीप आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन व्हाई डू यू फील दिस वे या व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, देन यू विल गो डाउन टू द अंडरलाइंग belief, which is ki I'm a failure,
right?
That is why I will screw this up also. Like you understand,
you start connecting the dots.
You start connecting the dots. But if you and I were to sit and say कि तेरा core belief क्या है, maybe you wouldn't know. But if I ask you right now what is your opinion about this, about you in this situation, your automatic negative thought would be something,
right?
And that we could take that and go down to the core belief. So it's like a reverse cycle.
Yeah, of course, like you know कि जैसे तू बोलता है कि and one way or another कि there's a way, like you know, to handle it, but like it's not like gonna happen कि तुम लोग झटाक से उठ जाओ, like you know it happens.
Exactly.
But भाई at the same time, you know, to work on it, like जैसे तू बताया कि therapy में we kind of need to make that person understand, okay, कि these are the set of beliefs and everything. CBT is basically working on the beliefs. We modify their beliefs, we kind of help them to kind of go through the entire
thought से belief तक
जाते. थॉट से बिलीफ तक जाने वाली जर्नी है. सो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ना भाई, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम नॉट मेनी ऑफ देम आर ओपन टू द आइडिया. व्हेन यू काइंड ऑफ शो देम दैट मिरर ना कि भाई लाइक व्हाटएवर इट इज, लाइक टेक अ लुक एट दिस, दीज आर योर सेट ऑफ बिलीव्स, और जो तेरे लाइफ में जो प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हो रहे हैं वन वे और अनदर, ठीक है, एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग नो, देयर आर अदर फैक्टर्स, फैमिली इश्यूज, व्हाटएवर इट इज, बट ट्राई एंड टेक अ लुक एट इट. व्हाट आर योर, like what is your way of like you know looking at the entire situation that you're going through. So वो इतना matter करता है भाई कि अभी for an example most of the time when we kind of say this to them, no, कि okay this is And guys, therapy, just letting you know, all therapy is not just about talking. There is confrontation to it.
Yeah.
There is a lot of showing mirror
Mm.
the time when it is required, and
Challenging.
challenging the negative thoughts. Everything is there. But more or less like कि if people, and I openly do it.
Yeah, yeah.
मैं करता हूँ the time, of course, like I might take few sessions ahead.
Exactly.
उसके बाद
When
मैं
you
दूंगा.
have built that relation
Yeah.
with your client,
Client.
that is when you do it.
Yeah, yeah. But again, more or less, like people are not open to the idea because they might feel कि okay, the person is judgmental. We are not judgmental. Maybe you are getting paid for that. But we are not judgmental at that choice of things, and like it's weird, bro.
Yeah.
अगर मैं तो भी like you know कि अभी तक के लिए मैंने there is CBD का, इसको बड़ा भाई बोले या छोटा भाई बोले, RBT को.
RBT.
I would say बड़ा भाई because he's more on rational. CBT में थोड़ा कैसा empathy, थोड़ा comfort वगैरह है.
हाँ.
Like I have seen, bro, like people practicing RBT, bro, the rational thing that they throw onto them,
Mm.
like there is a clear rationality into it.
Yeah, that is a little more, like you said, it's more hard hitting. You know, CBT is still like, you know, empathy se
Yeah.
thoda, we will try to explore what is going on, go slowly to the core belief. RBT is like
क्या रे?
humor.
क्या?
हाँ?
क्या
हाँ?
humor?
डर लग
क्या?
रहा है? क्या?
क्या
क्यों
डर
डर
क्या?
लग रहा है?
Defense में क्या है? तूने मतलब what are you? So it kind of like literally throw shit to your face, ना भाई.
Exactly.
But I personally feel, depending on person to person. So again, the therapist that I am seeing, basically, yes, guys, I go to therapy. Being a psychologist, I do take therapy. The person that I am seeing, so she's a REBT practitioner, and she herself kind of, matlab, like we have a very chill bond, and like you know, it was different. Like definitely, I kind of made it very clear after a point कि मैम REBT दे दो मेरे को. I can't like enough of comfort, empathy.
Yeah, some
May-
people need that.
Bro, see, belief,
हाँ.
belief, upbringing,
Hmm.
experiences. मेरे को पता है कि भाई, क्योंकि भाई मतलब वैसे बड़ा हुआ हूँ ना, नॉट प्रमोटिंग एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ क्या बोलते हैं फिजिकल वायलेंस और एनीथिंग, या फिर कोई चाइल्ड अब्यूज वगैरह प्रमोट नहीं कर रहा, बट इट वाज रिक्वायर्ड इन माय केस एंड आई एम ओके विद दैट. हाँ भाई, मार खाया मेरे पेरेंट्स, आई एम ओके विद दैट, कोई इशू नहीं है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग एंड आई एम नॉट प्रमोटिंग, एंड नो चिल्ड्रन शुड बी, किसी को भी मारना नहीं चाहिए, इवन आई एम अगेंस्ट इट. बट भाई था ही उतना बद्दा, या प्लीज प्लीज, था ही उतना बद्दा तो भाई मार तो खाने वाला था. हरकतें वैसी थी, पता है ना कि गैंगस्टर शूट करना था भाई. बाप ने बताया मेरे से बड़ा गैंगस्टर कोई नहीं है बेटा,
हाँ.
घर पे बैठे. या सो या मतलब वो एक चीज़ हुई. तू तू कुछ शेयर करना चाहेगा, लाइक यू नो, व्हेन इट कम्स टू दीस सॉर्ट ऑफ core beliefs and everything.
See, I have realized a lot of times, you know, what happens is, ki even the example that we took of the negative thought, it's all because you are assuming. Assumption.
Right.
Assumption is a very key thing that happens in these negative things, because even before it has happened, even before you have experienced the situation, you have a negative thought, which is often an assumption.
Right.
कि I am going to fail. Starting से तेरे को लग रहा है कि you are going to fail, you are going to freeze and all that. So it's like once you have that thought, you're going to try to live that outcome.
Right.
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 So assumption plays a very key role, I feel. You know, the moment you start assuming that things will not work out, or you know, you're going to fail or whatever, ये जो भी है ठीक से नहीं जाएगा, you need to catch yourself over there itself.
Right.
कि
Right.
listen, this thing has not happened yet,
Yes.
so I am assuming, I'm
Yes.
having a negative thought,
Yes.
which is not necessarily true.
Right.
Right. These are what, you know, you end up working in therapy. अभी ये जान के भी some people are still not able to change
Yeah.
that, and it takes time. Don't lose heart, because you know, जो तुम लोग ने 20-30 साल के लिए what you all have been doing, suddenly after one therapy session is not going to change.
It's not, and like ठीक है, like you know, you might find certain difficulties or challenges, like you know, while challenging yourself,
Yeah.
while challenging your negative thoughts, but be prepared to it.
Yeah.
See, at the same time, like you know, there's a possibility, bro. The core beliefs can also lead you to schizophrenia and different sort of disorders.
Yeah.
Because भाई वो assumptions है, वो beliefs है. Delusion क्या है?
Hmm.
These are set of beliefs, no, bro.
Yeah.
Delusions are what? These are set of
Set of
beliefs.
beliefs.
So at the same time, ये सारी चीजें भी होने की, like you know, there are multiple things to it.
Hmm.
Again, like you know, कि again, at the same time, if you are kind of like you know, you have this belief about yourself क्योंकि you really want to create something huge. Again, it matters कि तुम लोग किन लोगों के साथ surrounded हो and what sort of things they are providing to you. As in with the thoughts, with the support, with the care and comfort, वो भी matter करता है. But again, to kind of shape yourself, shape your brain, shape your thoughts, shape your beliefs, I would say you need to have that, like again, reality check, टाइम टू टाइम इंट्रोस्पेक्शन जिसे हम बोलते हैं, सेल्फ टॉक जिसे हम बोलते हैं. तो इम्पोर्टेंट है भाई कि अगर फॉर एन एग्जांपल if you really feel कि okay at this point of time कि you are like kind of not believing in yourself, or maybe you're having this thought, ask yourself a question. What is it? Why am I feeling this way? What set of things can be done? Okay, is it in my control? Is there anything that I can do to get it in my control?
Like you said, the main thing is to first analyze if the situation is in my control or out of my control. The moment you realize that the situation is out of your control and you can't do anything about it, that's when you feel like, okay, I can let it go.
Acceptance plays an important role.
Acceptance
No?
plays an important-
Awareness and acceptance is the first step of any sort of recovery and healing. Any sort of. Again, like कि जैसे for an example, moving forward, भाई the belief is important. ना, I'm just taking name of few दिग्गज, like जैसे अभी for me, like my inspirations are Mike Tyson हो गया, फिर उसके बाद Sebum, Daddy, basically, Christopher Bumstead, Jordan B. Peterson, and everybody, like, come on, they had a belief. They had a belief. Mike Tyson ने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि when you want to build something of your own in a positive way, don't take it like it's quoted like that by himself in a podcast. Like Mike Tyson खुद बोला कि you need to be a bit delusional. So delusions, again, what sort of belief? A positive belief that you hold. Okay, it is within me, it is within myself. Okay, I can create this, I can make this happen. So ये चीज़ें बहुत important है. So yeah, this is what I kind of feel about core belief. So anything else?
No, I think this is enough.
This is enough.
I said na, we'll keep it light.
Yes, we'll keep it light.
This is as light as we can go. But
And
like the key takeaways are what is the core belief, what are negative thoughts, and how negative thoughts is what what we can identify first and then go down to the core belief. Assumptions, how assumptions play a role in our negative thoughts.
assumptions can lead to misunderstandings.
Exactly.
That is what is important ना भाई.
Yeah.
कि ठीक है भाई, experiences हो रखे हैं, बट ऐसा थोड़ी कि हर बार ही होगा वो. कोइंसिडेंसेस है, ठीक है भाई. अगर तुम लोग खुद को शेप करना चाहते हो उस हिसाब से, नहीं भाई ऐसे ही, you're telling your brain to function that way. Affirmations are important, guys. Affirmations.
Yeah, affirmations are important. That is like a counter of the negative.
Yeah, negative thought.
And yeah, you'll think कि हाँ affirmation क्या ही करेगा. It can do a lot in the long run.
Yes.
If you're expecting कि एक बार मैं affirmation बोलूँगा खुद को और सब बदल जाएगा, that is not going to happen. That is your unrealistic expectation.
Yes, for sure. Affirmations, anytime, no doubt, are very important.
Yeah.
Very important.
All
So
right
yeah,
then. Yeah.
ठीक है.
Yes.
तुझे कुछ बोलना है?
नहीं नहीं.
पक्का. ठीक है, चलो. Thank you.
Thank you guys.